Google Sites, it is very simple to be able to add, reorder, and nest pages so that you can have multiple places that students can go and be able to navigate. You do this by just going to the toolbar menu on the right-hand side, and you're going to see a tab that says Pages. From here, we can click Add a Page. So perhaps I want to add a page for a specific subject area. Now this will appear in my navigation menu at the top of my website, and we can talk about how to customize this navigation menu later. Now perhaps I want a page for language arts. I can start to continue to build these. Now, perhaps maybe I want language arts to appear in my menu before science. I do that by clicking on the card that says language arts and simply dragging it and reordering it to where I'd like it to go. In addition to pages, which we know this can get quite lengthy depending on what I'd like added to my site, I can also create subpages. These are pages that now live underneath or within these pages we've made. So perhaps I want to do something for our home reading program within language arts. Once I hover over top of the language arts card, you're going to see 3 dots appear on the right hand side. If I click those dots, you'll see that I can have a few choices of what I'd like to do with this page. This is where I can create a subpage, as well as just note that if you did want to remove a page from the site or rename, this is also where you do it. I can create the subpage and I can call this home reading. Now you can see that there's an elbow connector, having that appear underneath of language arts. Let's say I made another page, and this one I can call, reading websites. And I realize I don't actually want that to appear there. I meant it to be a subpage underneath of language arts. It's no problem because along with dragging and reordering, I can go ahead and I can hover where I'd like it to show up. In this case, I want it to show up underneath of home reading, and now it's there. I also notice that I have a spelling error. Don't worry, like I said, you can rename the pages at any time and fix any errors that you might have, just like me. So that's it. Now I can navigate through the different sites that I've created. And with each one of those sites, remember that it is customizable for the type of header you'd like, as well as the image you'd like on the page.